How to benefit from the benefits of pineapple for our health. As my dear friends of YouTuber are in this opportunity, we will talk about the benefits of pineapple in our health. Pineapple is considered one of the most desirable tropical fruits in the world. Its sweet and refreshing taste makes it suitable for the whole family and to include in many recipes. Besides, pineapple is a rich source of antioxidants and essential nutrients that improve health. Our body accumulates a lot of toxins and wastes as a result of poor diet, pollution, or the use of chemical products, among others. The pineapple has diuretic and detoxifying qualities that promote the elimination of all those substances that can affect health if they are not expelled properly. In addition to being a diuretic and detoxifying fruit, pineapple is characterized by its contents of vitamin C, B1, B6, folic acid and minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, manganese, and iron. Much of the composition of pineapple is water, and it also has a significant amount of fiber. This, added to the fact that it is very low in calories, makes it an ideal fruit for the diet. Most of the benefits of pineapple are due to the presence of an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme improves digestion and has the ability to destroy intestinal parasites. And why is the bromelain so good? The bromelain from pineapple has anti-inflammatory, antithrombotic, anti-edematous and fibrinolytic properties. In fact, the anti-inflammatory action of pineapple could be useful in the treatment of diseases that lead to inflammation, such as acute sinusitis, sore throat, arthritis, or gout. This enzyme present in pineapple also acts as a natural anticoagulant, in addition to causing beneficial changes in white blood cells. In recent research, it was determined that bromelain and the antioxidants of pineapple could be anti-cancer. Antioxidant benefits. Pineapple is a rich source of antioxidants such as vitamin C, iodine, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium that, in addition to reinforcing the defenses, they also have a positive action on the thyroid and nerve cells. Its high content of vitamin C makes it powerful to fight free radicals present in the body. Free radicals can trigger different diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart disease, diabetes, and even some types of cancers. Pineapple is a very versatile fruit that can be easily included in the diet. This food goes very well in salads, in natural juice, in smoothies, in slices, or in desserts, among others. However, if you want to take advantage of its diuretic and detoxifying action to eliminate toxins from the body and feel healthier, you can choose to make a special pineapple diet. Pineapple diet to detoxify the body. Before knowing the diet of the pineapple, it is very important to bear in mind that it is not a feeding plan for every day. This diet should be made a maximum of 5 days and should only be done 2 or 3 times a year. Thanks to this diet, you can stimulate the elimination of waste from your body, as well as the liquids retained. In addition, it also helps you lose weight quickly, as long as you adopt a healthy lifestyle. Breakfast: 2 or 3 slices of pineapple, a tea or infusion. Mid-morning: at this time you should drink a pineapple soda, which you will prepare as follows. Put the boiled eggshells to boil. Pineapple in 2 liters of water, let it rest and strain it. Place the liquid in the refrigerator and then consume it as a soda. Lunch: prepare a depurative broth using 4 leeks, 2 turnips, 1 little celery, 1 carrot, and 3 artichokes. Then eat chicken or grilled fish and then 2 slices of pineapple. Snack: pineapple soda and a natural yogurt. Dinner: 4 or 5 pineapple slices. Reduces the risk of hypertension. Potassium and sodium allow us to reduce blood pressure. Both are in the pineapple, so it ends up being a perfect ally to reduce the risk of suffering from hypertension. Because 1 cup of this fruit contains 1 mg of sodium and 195 mg of potassium. Diuretic: the pineapple has diuretic properties, thanks to potassium, which stimulates the elimination of liquids. With this we detoxify our organism, which is why it is one of the most positive aspects of this fruit. Anti-inflammatory. Among the properties of pineapple is its anti-inflammatory power. The enzyme called bromelain that we talked about before, according to several studies, blocks the production of kinases, which are formed when there is inflammation, so it helps reduce the discomfort caused by sore throat, acute sinusitis, gout, or arthritis. Strengthens the immune system. Another of the most well-known benefits of pineapple is to strengthen the immune system. Bromelain is a natural anticoagulant, so it helps us dissolve the blood clots that we could form. It can also generate beneficial changes in white blood cells, something that improves immune function. Cure constipation. The presence of fiber in the pineapple helps to purify the body, so we go regularly to the bathroom and we can prevent constipation. It also removes parasites from the intestines, something that helps relieve intestinal disorders and decrease bile. Protects the thyroid. With all its source of vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, or magnesium, it is useful for the thyroid and nerve cells. Combats atherosclerosis and diabetes. Vitamin C also offers protection against free radicals, which are substances that attack healthy cells. The accumulation of radicals can cause atherosclerosis, heart disease, or diabetes. Protects the thyroid. With all its source of vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, or magnesium, it is useful for the thyroid and nerve cells. Good dear friends, I hope that this information will be very useful. If you liked it, do not stop giving it and subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, do not stop sharing it with your friends and family. Have an excellent week full of blessings and good opportunities. A big hug and best wishes.